Uganda is one of the few African countries that manufacture electric cars and buses. In Jinja, the second biggest economy of Uganda, we have Kiira Motors Corporation that have Kiira Vehicle Plant, which is the first and the biggest electric vehicle manufacturing plant on the African continent. The Kiira Vehicle Plant capabilities include body shop for frame and manufacturing, paint shop and decoration, chassis line, trim and final assembly shop, quality inspection and testing facility, and many other relating facilities. The Kiira Vehicle Plant is a strategic investment that positions Uganda as a key player in the mobility industrial value chain that unlocks great opportunity for import substitution, job creation, technology transfer, and ultimately the realization of Uganda's vision to become an upper middle income economy by 2040. Last year, 2024, Kiira Motors Corporation were in Dar es Salaam marketing their buses. Check how beautiful Dar es Salaam looked when these buses were being advertised in Dar es Salaam. I think we need these buses in Tanzania. I may advise Dar es Salaam Rapid Transit, DART, company in some phases of BRT system. They may welcome Kiira company to operate in this BRT. Imagine having BRT buses operating in Dar es Salaam, manufactured by our relatives in Uganda. Maintenance costs will be too low and also they will be cheaper. For example, using Kiira BRT buses from Julius Nyerere Airport to the city center, electric buses manufactured by our relatives from Uganda instead of using Chinese buses. Anyway, one day we will support each other as Africans. When I visited Jinja City, 80 kilometers east of Kampala, I saw these buses operating, transporting people. I was lucky to have a guided tour of one of the buses, checking its quality and capabilities. Watch this and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. My name is Bertin. We have electric buses here in Jinja. So in Jinja, they use electric buses as public transport in some routes. This is another electric bus. This is being manufactured in Uganda. Hey. You see, that's an electric bus being manufactured in Uganda.
The bus is called Kayola EVS. And we're naming them depending on their length. So this is Kayola EVS, 8.5 meters. This is how it looks in front.
Yeah.
Yes, so when you move, this door is the entry door. As all clients, everyone must use this as the entry. It's the entry door.
I see you have a fire extinguisher.
Yes, we have also a number of safety measures we have taken. For example, this is an exit. This is an emergency button. So even if when people are in and anything has happened, you can easily open from out, yes. And we also have emergency exit apparatus. Let's say those hammers. In case there's anything, you can break the glass and then you exit.
Okay.
We also have a fire extinguisher in case of small fires around.
I see this the scanning area.
Yeah. And then you scan here if it has money. So this has no money, it will say transaction failed. If it has money, it will say welcome on board.
Okay.
If you're exiting, it will say transaction successful.
Okay.
Yes. So when you enter, this is the driver's area. The driver is also protected from meeting customers and so on, so that he can get focused. That's also a safety measure. And then we have cameras here, camera in the middle, camera at the doors, and camera at the end, just to make sure that everyone is safe on the bus, and the driver can equally monitor the whole bus, even if when he's here. Then we also have the interior, so you can see the comfortable seats. make you feel comfortable. And then this is the exit door, which is also automatically controlled the other side by the driver. But when you reach here, you simply tap here your card. On this is the exit machine for tapping. Tap here your card, it accepts the transaction. The door opens automatically, and then you exit. When you want to leave the bus, these are the buttons. Are called stop buttons. You simply tap the button. It will show the driver the other side that someone wants to exit. And you will start looking for parking so that you can exit. So we also have this side here. And at the end, we also have the end camera here. So that monitors people here on the other side. So this also helps in terms of if there are any theft issue or case, so that you understand that the camera will be monitoring everyone. And if someone took anything or if someone forgot anything in the bus, they can easily be monitored and they can be helped. We also have a camera in the middle here that monitors that door that the driver can see if someone is standing at the door, if one wants to exit, and so on. We also have screens. We have the air conditioning system here so that we can regulate temperatures here so that they are not too hot and they are not too cold. Yes.
Okay, and I see TV screens there.
Yes, we have 2 TV screens actually. There's this one here, then there's the other one on the other side.
Wow. And also you have Wi-Fi?
Yeah, we have Wi-Fi on this bus actually. Yes, we installed the Wi-Fi. It has the capacity to handle Wi-Fi, and we usually load so that people can enjoy.
Okay, and you have charging ports?
We have charging ports, but specifically for this very bus, we have them for on the side of the driver, but on the other buses that are going to come, we shall be providing even for the end users this side. So this is a city bus in a way that it operates around town, so it does not move very long distances. And so because of that, it has a sitting capacity and it also has a standing capacity. So the sitting capacity will have 28 and also standing we have around 20. Others can stand, others can sit. And since it moves around cities, so it moves short distances.
Yeah.
But buses that are being built that go a far mile or that go far distances are built mainly with the sitting capacity.
Sitting capacity.
Yes. So, and when this bus is fully charged, it goes as far as 300 kilometers.
300 kilometers?
Yes, on a single charge. And we have a number of buses there. Others are even going for 400 kilometers, others 500 kilometers, and so on. It also depends on the customization that you need as a person or as a client if you come and you need one. Yes.
So for instance, if you that comes, then you design the bus for them?
Yes, when they come, you come as a person and then you say, I need a bus and I need a bus of this capacity, which can handle this, which can run this range, which can do this. Yes, the information will be submitted to the marketing team, which will then make a quotation, and then you continue the discussions with them.
So you that usafiri salama Dar es Salaam, please, we need these buses also in Dar es Salaam. The BRT system already there, we just need buses. Maybe for BRT phase 3 that goes to the Julius Nyerere Airport from city center, when you finish that phase, you can talk with Kiira Motors, isn't it?
Yes, Kiira Motors Corporation.
Yes, and
and by the fact that we are all members of East African community, and it's called Buy Home. We are buying Africa, building Africa, increasing chances of developing Africa.
Yeah, we develop ourselves.
So, and I understand by the friendship we have, of course, we shall keep supporting each other like that as we grow.
So inside the bus, I'm seated now. We are waiting for other passengers. You are going somewhere. Where?
Yes, we are going to Nachivizi.
Nachivizi. Here in Jinja. Imagine a second largest city in Uganda. They have electric bus transport. We have dustbins.
We have dustbins here. You put here everything. When it gets full, you just keep empty.
I like this material. It looks like
yeah, this is bamboo material. Bamboo,
yeah.
You must realize that we also have good things in Africa. Yeah, and we can actually enjoy good things in Africa. We have a first aid box here. So for any small injuries within or around the bus, we can manage them.
You that people, You see the buses how they look like. Like now you are too experienced that you can come to Dar es Salaam and have the model. You see the model of our transport system, and then you manufacture buses that can fit to that model, isn't it?
Communication is abnormal.
By the way, if you have a moment or a chance, our plant, that we call it the Kiira Motors plant, it's the first, the biggest, the most competent, and the most capable bus manufacturing plant on the African continent. So that makes your question valid and answered. You understand? So do we have capacity to produce buses for Tanzania? Yes, we do, because we have the biggest, the most capable, and the most competent bus manufacturing plant on the African continent.